we're looking at a ballistic pendulum, which consists of two primary areas, a moment before the collision and a moment after the collision. We're going to use an analysis of before and after to look at momentum and energy and determine the initial velocity of the bullet that hit the pendulum. So let's draw a sketch of our situation. First, what happens before? Before the collision, I have a pendulum hanging. It's a block of mass MB, or 2.5 kilograms, as given by the problem. The velocity of the block is 0. And then the bullet is moving forward, right? And it's got a small mass. MB is 0.0042 kilograms, right? We want to make sure we keep our units consistent. And the velocity of the bullet is what we are